In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to review a Temu product. Whether you want to share a great find or flag something that didn't meet your expectations, leaving a clear, concise review helps other shoppers and improves recommendations for everyone. I'll walk you through the exact path in the app and give you tips to make your feedback as helpful as possible. First, make sure the item has been delivered. Reviews are only available after delivery, so check that your package has arrived and any delivery status in the app shows as completed. Once that's done, open the Temu app on your device so we can get started. On the home screen, look for the tab labeled You. This is your account area where your profile and order history live. Give that a tap to enter your personal dashboard. Next, tap Your Orders. This section lists everything you've purchased, with the most recent orders at the top. You should see each item's status right beside it, including indications for delivered products. Take a moment to scan the list and identify the exact item you want to review. When you found the delivered item, tap Review or Write a Review. The wording can vary slightly, but both options take you to the same review page. This is where you'll share your experience in a quick and structured way. Start by rating the product from 1 to 5 stars. Think of 1 star as very dissatisfied and 5 stars as excellent. Choose the rating that best reflects your overall experience, balancing quality, value, and whether the item matched the description and photos. Below the stars, you'll see a space for a short comment. Keep it brief but specific. Mention what stood out, like build quality, fit, color accuracy, functionality, or ease of use. If something could be improved, say what it is in a constructive way. Clarity helps other shoppers make confident decisions, and it also helps the seller understand what worked and what didn't. Avoid sharing any personal or sensitive information here. Stick to the product itself. When your rating and comment look good, tap Submit. You should see a quick confirmation that your review was posted. That's it. You've successfully shared your experience. If your comment doesn't appear right away, don't worry. Some reviews take a short time to process. Thanks for following along. By taking a minute to rate and comment after delivery, you make Temu more useful for everyone, including your future self when you're comparing items. Happy reviewing!